Hello, welcome to online classes children. Today in chapter 4 fractions, we are going to study about subtraction of fractions. So first of all, we'll see subtraction of like fractions. As you can see here, the question is taken from My Practice Time 5A. Okay, only one question is there. So first one we are taking A. So 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6. As you can see, the denominators are same. So this is a like fraction. So in this case, children, we have to only operate the numerators. Okay. So we will only write the numerators 5 minus 1 and the denominator will be written as it is. So 5 minus 1 is 4 by 6. The denominator will come here and you can see the 4 by 6 can be reduced more in the simplest form. So when we divide it both by 2, so we are getting 2 by 3 as the answer. Next question you can see 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Again the denominators are like fractions. So you can see here we have to only operate the numerators. So 4 minus 2 and the denominator will be written as it is, that is 7. So 4 minus 2 will give you 2 and the denominator 7 will be written as it is. So our answer is 2 by 7. Coming to subtraction of unlike fractions. So you can see here question E, 9 by 12 minus 2 by 4. So the denominators are different, that means they are unlike fractions. So in this case we have to first of all take out the LCM of the denominators, that is 12 and 4. So the LCM is coming 12. So we will make one by one both the fractions as the equivalent fraction with denominator 12 to make both of them as like fraction. Okay. So first of all we have taken here 9 by 12. So 9 by 12. 12 is already, the denominator is already here. So we'll multiply it by 1. So we'll get 9 by 12. Next fraction is 2 by 4. So when we multiply 4 by 3, we are getting 12. Okay. So how you will get 3? You can also, if you are not knowing how to get this 3, we can divide 12 by 4. That means we are getting 3. Okay, in that case. So 3, we will multiply it by 4 to get 12. Okay. So 4 is multiplied by 3 and in the numerator also 2 is multiplied by 3. So we are getting 6 by 12. Now we are having the fractions 9 by 12 minus 6 by 12. As you can see now the denominators are same. So they are like fractions. So we will operate as we have done in the previous question. So we will operate only the numerator, that is 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 by 12. This will give you 3 by 12. Okay. And you can see here we can reduce it in the simplest form. So 3 by 12 both can be divided by 3. Okay. So when we are dividing we get 1 by 4 as the answer. Next question you see subtraction of mixed fraction. Okay. So the question is taken from My Practice Time 6A. Okay, 3 1 by 2 minus 1 3 by 4. So first of all we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, you know how to convert it into improper fraction? That is, we will multiply the whole number into denominator and we will add it with the numerator and the whole thing is divided by the denominator. Okay, so here we get 3 into 2 plus 1. The whole thing is divided by 2. Then minus sign and again we will convert this one also to improper fraction. So again we will multiply whole number 1 into denominator 4 plus numerator 3. Okay, so 1 into 4 plus 3 and the whole thing is divided by the denominator, that is 4. Okay, so when we solve this we get 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 we are getting here, then minus sign and then 1 into 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 divided by 4 we are getting. Now the fractions are 7 by 2 minus 7 by 4. You can see these are now unlike fractions. So again we need to take out the LCM of the denominators, that is 2 and 4. So we are getting the LCM as 4. Now children we will solve both the fractions. We will find the equivalent of these fractions such that the denominator will be 4. Okay, so 7 by 2, when we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, then we are getting here denominator 4 and the numerator 7 into 2 will give you 14. So we get 14 by 4. Okay, now here you can see 7 by 4 is already, the denominator is 4, so we'll simply multiply it by 1. So it will give you 7 by 4 only. Now we have the fractions 14 by 4 and 7 by 4. Okay, so these are the like fractions. So we'll operate the numerators, that is 14 minus 7. The whole thing is divided by 4 and this will give you 7 by 4. And again we can convert this into mixed fraction, that is it will give you 1 3 by 4. That means quotient will come at the whole part, numerator will be the remainder and denominator will be the divisor. Okay, so our answer is 1 3 by 4. Next question you can see here, children, the B1. Again it is 9 2 by 6 minus 3 1 by 4. So this is another method by which we can solve. We can solve this by operating the whole parts together and the fraction parts together. In this way also we can solve this. So 9 and 3 are the whole part of these two fractions. So we have written separately here 9 minus 3 and 2 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so we have written the fraction part over here. So we see 9 minus 3 will give you 6 and 2 by 6 minus 1 by 4 we have written now as it is. Okay, but now we will be operating these two fractions as we have done in the previous questions. So we will be finding the LCM of the denominators, that is 6 and 4, because these are unlike fractions. Okay, so the LCM of 6 and 4 you will get 12. Okay, and then now again we will make one by one both the fractions equivalent such that the denominator will be 12. So we will take first 2 by 6. So 2 by 6, what should be multiplied by, what should be multiplied to 6 so that your denominator will come 12? So the answer is 2. Okay, so 6 2s are 12 and the same thing will multiply with the numerator also, that is 2. So 2 into 2 will give you 4. So the fraction is coming 4 by 12. Next is your 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, again the denominator we need 12. So we'll multiply 3 to the numerator and denominator. So 1 into 3 will give you 3 and 4 into 3 will give you 12. So the fraction is coming 3 by 12. Now we have two fractions. So from here we are continuing now. Now we have made these two fractions the like fractions, which are equivalent to these two. Okay, so 6 is written here as it is, and now the equivalent fraction of 2 by 6 we have got here 4 by 12. So we have written here minus 1 by 4's equivalent fraction is 3 by 12. So we have written it here. Now we'll operate the numerators. 6 we have written as it is. So 4 minus 3, the whole thing is divided by 12, as these are the like fractions now. So 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12. So we are getting 6 1 by 12 as our answer. So children, this is the home task for you all. Please solve all these questions in your maths copy and do complete your copies. The rest part of this exercise will be shared in the worksheet of My Practice Time 5 and My Practice Time 6. So kindly complete your copy and keep it up to date. Thank you.